Yes, of course. Jadi kalau misalnya Miss Desi bilang gini ya,
2, Miss.
ya, I have one pizza. This is yang disebut dengan one. Jadi kalau I want to divide into two part, kelihatan nggak pizzanya sekarang? Okay, I want to divide into two equal part. So if they ask you what pizza I have now in here, yang sebelah sini is gonna be 1/2 ya, atau 1/2. Jadi enggak satu lagi. Karena satu tadi itu dia yang full, yang bulat.
Aku mau pakai lon itu. Pakai
Okay.
abang ini. Mana punya Deden?
What about these kids?
Mana?
What about this?
1/2, Miss.
1/2 ya. Jadi kalau if I ask you 1/2 plus 1/2 is gonna make what? Coba kalau setengah ditambah setengah jadi berapa?
1, Miss.
Yes, 1 ya, karena we know in half. This is half. If we combine them, it's gonna be make 1. Jadi kalau Anda nanti nanya setengah ditambah setengah berapa, you have to know it's gonna be 1. Okay, next we continue. We're gonna talk about bar model. Have you ever heard about bar model, kids? In the previous grade, pakai bar model kalau ngerjain fraction? No? Have you ever heard? No? Okay, let's discuss ya. Jadi bar model itu namanya itu bar itu batang ya, seperti batang. Jadi kalau model kita bisa menggambarkan fraction itu dengan bar model. Oke, so coba ingat bahwa ini adalah satu bar model. Berarti kalau pizza tadi satu kita bagi 2, bar model ini we divide into 2 equal parts also. Jadi kita nggak pakai pizza lagi, tapi langsung aja pakai bar model. So if I shade with orange color, kalau Miss warnai pakai orange color, so if I ask you, what fraction is this? In the orange color, what
1/2.
Yes, 1/2 ya, because
I think I already know the bar model, Miss.
Yes,
You already learned it.
Iya kan, you already learn it. Okay, this is 1/2 yang orange. What about the white? The white color, what fraction is this? Kalau ini
1/2, Miss.
Yes, also 1/2 ya. Karena posisinya sama ya kan, the size is same, equal. Okay, good job. What about this? If I want to make it into 3 equal parts, okay, and then I shade one of them, what fraction I have in the orange?
1/3, Miss.
1/3.
Okay.
1/3, Miss.
Okay, now. Okay, why 1/3? Kenapa nggak 1/4 or 1/5? Come on. Why 1?
Karena ada 3 yang satu diwarnai.
Yes, good job. All of you already have the same answer ya. Because there are 3 parts, ada 3 potong. Tapi yang diwarnai only 1. So we say this gonna be 1/3. Ada 1 diwarnai dari 3 part. Okay, what about this? I shade again. So what fraction I have in the orange color?
2/3, Miss.
Yes, 2.
Karena yang diwarnai 2.
Yes, because we shade there are 2 ya kan, from the total is 3. My question, what fraction I have in the white color?
1.
1?
1, Miss.
Okay, fraction, remember fraction berarti blank 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 per blank blank blank, ada pernya nak kalau fraction. Jadi what fraction in white?
1, Miss. 1/3.
Yes. Why 1/3 yang putihnya? Coba, who can explain? Why 1/3? Ya.
Because the white is one, Miss.
Ya, because the white is one.
Karena yang duanya itu udah diwarnain, Miss.
Iya, jadi gini ya nak ya, because one is the white ya kan, partnya itu hanya one part. From the totalnya semua itu ada 3 kotak ya kan, 3 parts. So we call 1/3 atau 1/3. Okay, any questions so far? No? Okay, it's still easy ya kids. Okay, good job. Nah, sekarang kita lanjut ya. Remember ya kids ya, in the top number we say numerator, and below number we say denominator. Oke, jangan terbalik. Oke, now how we add like fraction? Gimana kita menjumlahkan like fraction? Oke, what is like fraction? Siapa yang remember? Like fraction itu yang gimana?
Pecahannya sama, Miss.
Pecahan yang sama itu yang di atas atau yang di bawah?
Denominator, Miss.
Below or top numbers? Below ya.
Below, Miss.
Yes, okay, good job everyone. Jadi kalau like fraction itu yang sama itu yang di bawah atau denominator, below numbers. Jadi jangan bilang only same fraction. Same fraction itu berarti angka atas dan bawahnya sama kan? Tapi kalau misalnya like fraction itu hanya yang di bawahnya yang sama. Oke, but you want to add this 1/4 plus 2/4. Ini kan the below number same ya, 4 ya kan, berarti like fraction. Kita akan menjumlahkan tapi kita gunakan bar model. Okay, how to solve this? Remember, first we draw the model of 1/4. Jadi kayak mana tadi kalau misalnya we want to draw 1/4, we make 4 equal part, ya kan? Kita harus buat 4 kotak yang sama. Because we have 1 yang di atas, so we shade only 1 part. Oke, nah kita tambahkan, we add with 2/4. Bagaimana kira-kira gambar dari 2/4 ini nak? Kalau pakai bar model. Gimana gambar 2/4? Anyone knows?
4 part, Miss, and then coloring, Miss.
Oke, one. Who wants to try? Coba, Miss Jessie mau dengar clear sound. Please raise your hands if you want to speak ya. Coba, biar clear. Gimana kira-kira gambar 2/4 ini? Ayo, Johnson, do you want to talk, to say something? Ayo, siapa?
4 kotak yang diwarnai 2, Miss.
Oke, good job Faricha. It means 2/4 berarti 4 ya, berarti there are 4 parts. Tapi karena kita punya 2 yang di atas, it means we only shade 2 part. Jadi kita cuma mewarnai 2 kotak dari totalnya 4 kotak. Oke, can you get it till here, kids? Bisa dipahami sampai ini? Can you get it? Oke ya, oke. Nah, jadi kalau kita combine, if you want to add them, coba kita satukan. Kira-kira how's the final model? Okay, can you see?
3 per 4.
Yes, jadi kalau kita combine, if we combine, we gonna have 3 color from the total is 4 ya. So the answer is 3/4. Okay. Can you get it, kids? Or any questions so far? Bisa diterima? Oke,
Yes,
clear ya? Oke, good job. Now, what about this? Coba, kalau pakai bar model, kira-kira gambarnya 1/3 ini kayak mana? What's the model of 1/3?
3 kotak yang diwarnai 1, Miss.
Oke, there are 1 shaded part of the total is, totalnya berapa?
3, Miss.
3. Oke.
3, Miss.
Yes, good job. There are 1 shaded part from 3, the total 3. Okay, we add with 2/9. Kalau 2/9 ini gambar kotaknya kira-kira gimana?
9 kotak yang diwarnai 2, Miss.
Yes, remember, kalau buat kotaknya harus equal part ya, sama ukuran kotak-kotaknya, nggak boleh ada yang lebih besar atau lebih kecil. So you have to draw sama ya nak ya. Can you found this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Dan ukuran setiap kotaknya same ya, sama besarnya. Because we have 2, 9, berarti yang diwarnai cukup 2 part, cukup 2 kotak ya. Okay, so can you imagine if we combine, what is the final result? Kalau kita jumlahkan 1/3 ini plus 2/9 ini nanti
3/12.
3/12. Oke, coba what about others?
3
Kira-kira
per 2, Miss.
3/2.
3 per 2, Miss.
Oke, what about others?
2, Miss.
3/2. Oke.
2, Miss.
Oke, let's see ya. Oke, coba kita combine. Terus kotaknya jadi berubah, nah nggak 3 lagi kotaknya. Karena kan dia itu digabungkan gitu ya, we combine. Jadi gimana? So what is the answer from this bar model?
5 per 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 per
9.
6, 7, 8, 9.
4
Yes.
5 per
9. Iya, jadi jawabannya not 2/3 ya kan, tapi 5/9. Oke, I think it's kayak ini ya, kayak menjebak ya gambar kotak-kotaknya ya. Karena kan we think, oh ini, remember kids, kalau kita mau menjumlahkan, make sure the size of the bar is same, ya kan? Coba lihat, yang 1/3 ini dari ujung kiri ini ke ujung kanan, sama kan besar ukurannya dengan ujung kanan ini ke ujung kiri dari yang 2/9, sama kan? Nggak lebih besar sebuah jadinya kotaknya di sini kan? Tapi sama ukurannya, hanya potongannya yang berbeda. Oke, any question so far?
Mami.
No? No ya? Oke, I think it's clear for you ya kids ya. And then itu kalau kita pakai bar model. Coba, what do you think about using bar model? Is gonna be easy or lebih gampang pakai hitungan langsung? Coba, I want to hear your opinion. Lebih gampang pakai?
Gampang, Miss.
Lebih gampang pakai bar model?
Bar model, Miss.
Bar model sih ya, even kadang kayak menjebak gitu ya gambar kotak-kotaknya.
Hitung langsung, Miss.
Oke, Immanuel Set menghitung langsung. Oke, that's fine ya. Coba, berarti coba ingat ya, kita ini menggunakan bar model. Nanti kita akan mengerjakan hitung langsung dengan soal yang sama, with the same question. Oke. Nah, ini kalau pakai, oke. Nah, kalau misalnya kita pakai bar model, bukan ini, sorry, wait. Nah, ini kan kita already got ya, 1/3 plus 2/9. Tadi berapa jawabannya, nak? You still remember? Pakai bar model?
9, Miss.
5 per 9.
5 per 9, Miss.
Yes, 5/9. Nah, jadi kalau kita nggak sempat menggambar barnya, it takes time, kita bisa langsung use by ini ya, calculation. Kita langsung bisa menghitungnya. Gimana caranya? Remember, this is like fraction or unlike fraction, kids? Yang 3,
Fraction, Miss.
Fraction, Miss.
because of
the
denominator is not the same.
denominator.
yes, it's not same ya, it's different. Nah, jadi cara menghitungnya, nak, the first is you see ya, there are 3 and 9. The two number yang berbeda di denominator, 3 and 9. Okay, and then you have to change them into fraction with the same denominator. Supaya kita bisa menjumlahkan ini, harus kita ubah ke like fraction. Like fraction itu kan yang di bawahnya sama ya bilangannya, the same number. Okay, so Let's see. Between 3 and 9, which one is greater? Yang mana angka yang besar? 3 and 9. 9. So, change every fraction, ubah every fraction into per 9. Oke, kita ubah setiap fraction ini into per 9. Gimana caranya, Miss? Equivalent fraction. Kita gunakan equivalent fraction seperti yang kemarin. Oke, let's see. We have 1/3. We want to change into per 9. From 3 to 9, what did we do? Coba. Apa yang kita lakukan from 3 to 9? What is the relation? Apa hubungan 3 ke 9? Kita apakan 3 ini supaya hasilnya 9. 3 to 9.
Dikali 3, Miss.
Yes, we multiply with 3, kan? Supaya 3 ini berubah ke 9, pastilah kita multiply by 3. Yes. So remember, equivalent fraction is whatever you do in the below numbers, you do in the top numbers. Jadi, yang 1 ini, what number we multiply? What number?
Times 3, Miss.
Yes, times 3. Ya, 1 times 3 is 3. Jadi, kita udah dapat nih, Nak, jawabannya. 1/3 itu sama dengan 3 per 9. Miss mute dulu ya. Oke. Oke. Nah, berarti we can continue ya. Kita ubah yuk. 1/3 is gonna be 3/9. Kan? Terus, 2/9 ini kita perlu ubah lagi, Nak? Ke per 9? Perlu nggak? Still we need 2/9 kita ubah ke per 9? No ya, karena sudah per 9. Ya kan? Karena sudah sama-sama per 9, jadi langsung aja tulis 2/9. Yang 1/3 ini kita ubah karena dia belum per 9. Belum per 9. Nah, after this, come on. 3/9 plus 2/9 is, nah gimana caranya? Nah, ini udah like fraction. So the answer is gonna be
5 per 9, Miss.
yes, 5 per 9. Coba. What do you think about this? It's gonna difficult atau lebih mudah daripada bar model?
Ini lebih mudah, Miss.
It's
More
easy.
difficult.
More difficult. Oke, ada yang
It's easier in bar model.
tapi kalau bar model, remember you have to draw a model into equal parts, kan harus sama persis size-nya. Gitu, itu tantangannya. Oke, so please take your notebook, everyone. Please take your notebook and please write this on your notebook. I'm gonna give a few minutes ya.
Finish, Miss.
Wis. Nirvana gercep ya. Oke, I'm waiting for others ya. Aaron, Winston, Helen, Zuriel. Where is your face, kids?
Dari tadi aja nulis, Miss.
Oh, udah tadi nulis. Oke, I'm gonna give 2 minutes. Is it enough? Cukup 2 menit. Untuk nulis ini aja, Nak. This one slide only ya. Biar nanti nggak bingung caranya.
Miss,
Yes.
I know this friction because I less matematika, Miss.
Wis. What time you take your course? Jam berapa, Immanuel, biasanya les?
Jam 3, Miss.
Oke, in 3 ya, in 3 p.m. Oke. Oke, kids, if you already done, please say done so we can continue ya. Kita akan latihan from your textbook.
Done, Miss.
Dan, oke, Miss Tung yang lain ya.
Done, Miss.
Oke, Janeta dan
Dan, Miss.
Okay, already done. Ashanda, okay.
So the sum of 10 they have is
Done, Miss.
Okay, Emmanuel.
Done,
Okay,
Miss. Done.
Ivan also done. Okay, I think sudah mulai banyak ya.
Salin bentar ya, Miss.
Okay, salin now chat. Okay.
okay, so
Aaron, already Aaron?
ready, Miss.
Already, okay. Winston, Juriel, already Bang? Not chat.
Done, Miss.
Okay, done.
Before to the answer, first we added 345 and 200.
Okay, already kids.
Wait, Miss, almost finished.
Already, Miss. Okay, almost finish.
Miss.
I only in the search.
Yes, yes, Christian. You write only in the share screen ya, yang slide ini aja ya, nak. Oke, Winston. What about you, Winston? Miss belum dengar suara
Finish,
Winston.
Finish, Miss.
Oke, finish ya. Juriel, finish, nak.
Finish, Miss.
Okay, good job. Okay, so,
Finish, Miss.
okay, Muntas, we can continue ya. So, take your textbook. Kalau sudah ditulis, coba lihat textbooknya. Page berapa nih yang fraction ya? Page 39. Okay, everyone, open page 39. Nah, ini caranya. Yes, why Emmanuel? What's going on?
Page berapa, Miss?
39 ya, 39. Ready?
Already, Miss.
Okay, come on. I want someone to read the...
We do number 3, Miss.
Okay, no ya, belum ada instruksi dari Miss Jesse. So be patient. Now I'm gonna ask you to discuss this together ya. Kita akan bahas bersama untuk yang number 3. Okay, please, Emmanuel, read number 3, the question only.
Add 1 per 4 and 3 per 8.
Okay, we want to add 1, 4, and 3, 8. Okay, the first question, is it unlike fraction or like fraction? 1, 4, 3, 8.
Unlike fraction, Miss.
Yes, unlike fraction ya. Okay, let's discuss together. Coba, karena unlike fraction, first we see the below number. Between 4 and 8, which one is greater?
8, Miss.
8 ya? 8. Okay, so we gonna change this into per 8 plus in per 8. Titik-titik per 8 and titik-titik per 8. Okay, nah sekarang let's see, we have 1/4. 1/4 ini pengen kita ubah ke per 8 kan, karena angka yang paling besar adalah 8. Okay, let's see, from 4 to 8, what we do? Gimana caranya dari 4 ke 8?
Kalikan
2, Miss.
Yes, times 2. Good job, times 2. Remember, kalau yang di bawah times 2, the below number we multiply by 2. So 1 times 2 is?
2, Miss.
2. Okay, so now we have 1/4 itu nak, same with 2/8. Okay, so what number we fill in here? Coba, berarti 3/8 sudah dalam bentuk per 8 ya nak ya, nggak perlu kita ubah ya kan? Already per 8. Yang kita ubah itu yang tidak bentuk per 8. Okay, so let's fill this blank. Coba, berarti what number I put here in this column, kids? What number?
2, Miss. 2.
Yes, 2/8 ya. Karena tadi 1/4 itu sama dengan 2/8. Ya kan? 3/8 sama dengan 3/8 already ya. Nah, after this udah sama-sama per 8, both of them same denominator. It means langsung kita add aja. So the answer is
5, Miss.
yes, 5/8. Oke, coba dilihat-lihat dulu. Anyone confused? Ada yang bingung?
Miss, I'm not confused, Miss, but the screen black.
Oh, the screen black? Oke, coba. What about others? Can you see my screen clearly, kids?
Can Miss?
Iya, tempat Nirvana mungkin ya.
Black
Oke.
Miss ya.
Ada yang black, ada yang ini. Oke. Coba. Lionel, you raise your hand. What's going on, Lionel? Lionel tadi raise hand.
Can I go to the room?
Oke, 2 minutes ya. Oke, coba Miss Jesse stop share dulu lagi, and then I'm gonna share screen ya. Oke. Coba, what about now yang bilang masih black? Coba, what about now, kids? Can you see the screen clearly?
Can Miss. Can Miss already?
Okay, already ya. Okay, coba. Any question about this number 3? Ada yang ingin ditanyakan? No? Coba, berarti Miss Jessia yang bertanya ya. Okay, everyone, can you answer my question? Why we put into per 8? Kenapa 1/4 ini kita ubah ke per 8? Kenapa enggak per 12 or per 11? Kenapa harus per 8?
Because we times 2.
Oke, we already know times 2 karena kita udah tahu dulu angka 8-nya. Baru kita tahu dari 4, from 4 to 8, we need times 2. Itu the second ini ya, the second step. The first step kan kita harus tahu mengubah ke 8 ini, how come, why 8? But thank you ya Vici ya. What about others? Kenapa per 8? Why we must put 8, the number? Anyone know? Oke, coba.
Because the equator, Miss.
Yes, good job Paricha. Because from the denominator, dari angka denominator kita tengok nak, ada 4 and 8. Okay, between them, the greater number is 8. Berarti semua fraction ini we need to change to per 8. Jadi 1/4 kita ubah ke per 8, and 3/8 kita ubah ke per 8. Tapi 3/8 kan already dalam bentuk per 8 ya. Jadi we don't need to change it. Oke ya kids ya, udah tahu ya kenapa per 8 ya. Oke, now let's see number 4. Okay, who can answer this? I'm gonna give you point dojo ya. If you can answer and explain, of course ya, harus bisa explain why you get that number. For number 4, come on. Untuk number 4, we're gonna add 1/3 plus 2/9. Ini already ya. Sorry, berarti ini nggak perlu. Kita kan udah bahas ya. Okay, I have this 3 question from number 5. I'm gonna take 3 person who can answer 5A, 5B, and 5C. Okay.
Mimi.
Okay, Faricha, the first. 5A ya, Faricha ya.
Yes.
Okay, what about others? Okay, langsung aja ya Faricha, because our times is limited. Come on. Number 5.
2 times 2, Miss.
2 times 2. Okay, please read the question first. 1 half.
1 per 2 plus 1 per 4 equal blank 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 plus 1 per 4 equal blank blank blank.
Okay. So we're gonna change to what number?
2
We have
2 times 2, Miss.
Okay, 2 times 2 ya. 2 times 2. Why times 2? Kenapa times 2, nak?
Because 2 times 2 is 4, Miss.
Okay, because we want to make it into per 4. Gitu bahasanya ya. We want to change half into per 4 ya kan? Okay. And then we know it's gonna need times 2. Okay, and then?
Di atas times 2 juga, Miss.
Okay, the top number we also multiply with 2.
1 times 2, 2.
Okay, good job. And then?
Plus 1 per 4 equal 3 per 4, Miss.
Okay, so the final answer is?
3 per 4, Miss.
Okay, 3 per 4. Come on, coba Pluto class, is it correct, kids?
Yes, Miss. Yes, Miss.
Yes?
Yes,
Okay,
Miss.
okay, good job. So this is for Faricha ya. Okay, come on, what about B? Who can explain and got point dojo for B? Caranya sama ya, nak ya? Or do you need time to do this? Butuh waktu mengerjakannya? Oke, Leonel.
1 per 3 plus 1 per 9 equals 3 per 9 plus 1 per 9 equals 4 per 9.
Okay, first we gonna write what number in the below, Leonel?
Times 3.
Okay, times 3 is gonna be?
Yeah.
Okay, and then in here also 9 ya? Okay, next, what about the top number, Leonel?
Also times 3.
Okay, also times 3. So the answer?
3 per 9.
Okay, 3 per 9. Okay, good job. And then what number we fill here?
1 per 9.
1 per 9.
Yes.
Okay. And then?
And then mix them all to 4 per 9.
Okay. So the final answer is?
4 per 9.
4 per 9. Okay, good job, Leonel. The last one, come on, before we end this meeting, kids. Okay, Vici, you raise your hand, come on.
First, 5 times 2, Miss.
Times 2, okay.
The upper number 2, Miss. Times 2.
Okay, times 2. Okay, so what number the answer? 2 times 2?
4 per 10, Miss.
Okay, good job. 4 per 10. And the second fraction is?
The below number also, Miss.
Okay,
10.
10. And the top number is?
3, Miss.
3. Okay, then?
And then write 7 over 10, Miss.
Okay, 4 plus 3 is 7. And the below number is still 10. Okay, so is it correct, kids? Coba, Pluto class. Is it correct?
Correct.
Yes. Okay, everyone, I give you 2 minutes to write this on your textbook. Boleh langsung dibuat di textbooknya aja ya, nak ya? Okay, Putri already, good job. Come on, what about others? Johnson? Okay. Okay, Christian also, Muntas also. What about others? Shera, Ashanda?
Already, Miss.
Okay, already. Okay, so I think if we already, we can stop share and give point dojo ya, because our time is limit. Okay, I'm gonna give to Leonel, Paricha, and Hanesa ya 2 point dojo. Confidence. Once more, Leonel, Paricha, Hanesa. Oke, yang lain, please ya kids ya, more ini ya, more active ya kids ya, because I'm gonna take your ini ya penilaian dari keseharian juga. Oke, so there is no homework for today, kids. Remember in the Wednesday, please prepare your worksheet math project. Oke, so any question? Ada pertanyaan? No?
No, Miss.
Okay, come on, before we end this meeting, as usual, kids, please give your best style. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, thank you for the class. Have a nice Monday. See you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Miss.
Bye-bye, friends.